Hello everyone. So I want you guys to grab a pen or grab a pencil, grab a notebook, piece of paper, grab a drink, and let's learn some grammar. So this is all stuff we've already actually learned. This is just a review. So remember in the last cycle we talked about the present continuous tense. Right, present continuous tense. Okay, I wanted to clear up maybe what is the difference between present continuous tense and simple present tense. What is the difference? So if I wanted to make a simple present tense sentence, right? So let's say my sentence is I eat breakfast. Right? So eat, the verb eat is in the simple present tense. I eat breakfast. Period. Okay, how would I make this into a present continuous sentence? We add, right? So it becomes I am, right? We add the verb be. I am eating. So we're adding ing. I am eating breakfast. I am eating breakfast. All right, so what does this mean? What is the difference between I eat breakfast and I am eating breakfast? Okay, generally, right? So do we remember our frequency adverbs? We have generally, usually, what else? Often, right? So I eat breakfast, like generally. Some people don't eat breakfast, right? So what about, or I can say, so I usually eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Or I eat breakfast every day, right? Every morning. So this is more of a general thing that you do, right? It's a daily routine, right? So it's a daily thing that you do. Continuous tense, present continuous, means right now, in the moment, right? I am eating breakfast. So like for a real life situation, right? Right now, I am teaching English. So, but in this situation, right, it means the person now in this moment is eating breakfast. All right, so I hope that clears up like what the difference between those two are. But let's focus more on just the present continuous tense. So we have I am, right? You are, he, she, it is, and we are, they are, right? So I am eating, you are eating, he, she, it is eating, we are eating, they are eating breakfast. Okay, now let's make this into negative sentences. So I am not eating. You are not, right? He, she, it is not. We are not. And they are not. All right. So for this, the first one, let's see, do I have my red pen with me? No. Oh, here we go. All right. So what we do here, we can't do I'm or something like that. That doesn't exist. We would do the contraction here. So I'm not eating breakfast. I'm not eating breakfast right now. I'm teaching English, right? So are and is. What do we do to make contractions? We say aren't or isn't, right? You aren't. We aren't. They aren't. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. Okay. Let's ask questions now. Let's make some interrogative sentences. Okay, so someone is eating breakfast. Let's ask them about, like, are you eating? Are you eating breakfast? Are you eating breakfast? How would I answer? You could say, yes, I am, right? Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not, right? No, I'm not. Let's do this. I'm not. All right. Now, let's do some different subjects, right? Pronouns. We have, are you, right? Am I? Am I? Am I? Are you, right? Are you? Is he, she, or it? Make this lowercase. Sorry. Then we have, are we? Are they? So, am I eating breakfast? Are you eating breakfast? Is he eating breakfast? Is she eating breakfast? Is it eating breakfast? Are we eating breakfast? Are they eating breakfast? Right? So how would we answer all of these? So we could say, so we already did you, right? Am I eating breakfast? Yes, I am. I am. We wouldn't say yes, I'm, unless you're gonna continue with yes, I'm eating breakfast. But if you're if you're keeping it short, right? So let's keep it short. Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. So you can say that. No, I'm not. Are you eating breakfast? So yes, I am. It would be the same. Or yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Sorry. No, you aren't. Okay. Is he? So we would say yes, he is, or yes, she is, or yes, it is. Right? But then no, he isn't. No, he isn't. Are we? Yes, we are. Or no, we aren't. Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the present continuous tense. All right, what about past continuous tense? What's the difference between the past simple tense or simple past tense and the past continuous? So same thing, right? It's kind of talking about general, being a general thing and being like in a specific moment. So, okay, simple past, I can say the sentence, I ate breakfast, right? I ate breakfast yesterday morning. I ate breakfast. So we know that ate is an irregular verb, right? In the past tense. So, but if I wanted to say it in the past continuous, right? So I was eating, right? Same thing. So we have I was, right? This is the verb to be or be. I was eating. I was eating breakfast. Okay. So this means, right? Let's say you get someone calls you while you're eating breakfast. And then you don't answer because you're busy eating. And they tell you, why didn't, like you see them the next day or later, I called you, why didn't you answer? Sorry, I was eating breakfast when you called, right? So that's in a specific moment, right? If someone asks you generally, what did you do this morning? I ate breakfast this morning. That's, the morning is like a longer period of time, right? But in this specific time where someone called you, right, you were doing something in the past. So the verb to be in the past tense we know is was and were. There's only two. So I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, and they were.